One of my areas of expertise is history, and specifically the wars in Europe, the last two great wars. So the Great War, 1914-1918, and the Second World War as well. I'm very passionate about these two subjects because I was brought up in the region of Friuli-Venezia Giulia, which saw a lot of action, especially during the Great War, so the First World War. So if you take a trip with Travels with Audrey, I would be your host when it comes to a lot of history relating to these conflicts. I would take you to the battlefields, I would show you the trenches, I would take you to monuments, war memorials, and try to explain how these wars have shaped what we know today as Friuli-Venezia Giulia and Italy at large, and why they had such an influx on its territory and its customs and population.